game we're going to build in this series. So my ball is going to escape and go on find it. Okay, so level is completed with my best score. Okay, so this is what we're going to achieve in this tutorial. So my playlist I added here, the complete tutorial we're going to see here, and end to end, so how to make the movement, how to make the camera setup, how to make the settings, how to make the objects, we're going to see. So let's start. So in the previous session I just give you the bit explanation of how to install Unity, how to download all, and just make the new project ready. So we're going to start building this game now. So let's go do that. Okay, from the previous session, so we created the new project called 3D game tutorial. So it's created me the sample scene. Okay, so here, okay, so before I just go on to explain what is this all, let's overview what Unity has. Okay, so here this is the toolbar where you can drag and drop the objects, game objects, which is useful for here, so that I can explain you a bit later. So before that we can understand what's this UI contains. So here is the scene. So this is a scene where you can start go on build your game scenes. Okay, this is the game where you can preview it. Okay, so this is the asset store where you can download the packages which is required for your package, that I can explain you a bit later. So in this tutorial we don't going to use any asset store here. Okay, fine. So this is my sample scene. Okay, so if you see here, okay, so initially for you it will be something different, but this is a hierarchy window where you can every scene's hierarchy will be displayed here. So this is the where you can make your objects. See, if you select, this is my camera, this is one of the object which is represent the camera, this is the light for your direction light for your scene. So like that we're going to create a lot of options. So default it's created me the sample scene. So if you see here, this is the asset folder in the project, so where you can able to manage your all the details. So here the default only we have asset scenes, that is a sample scenes. So if you see this package, this is the package which is related to build your application, so that's here. And this is the inspector we have, and we have lightning services. These are all we can pick it from the windows section, that I can explain you later. So inspector is just when you select any object main camera, so you will see the details of the property. Okay, this for the camera and this is for the directional lights. Okay, fine. So I don't want to confuse much, so just understand this. In if you watch continuously watching my series in 2-3 episode, you will be familiar, and if you practice you will be very good in that. So that's fine, not a problem. So just watch my tutorial what I am doing. Okay, it's fine. So when you create this project, it will going to create me the two just objects, so that's fine. So let's go and start build my game. So my game requirement is I'm moving my ball, don't touch any kind of cubes which is middle, and go and don't touch any red cubes, and reach the green cube. Okay, once it's reached to the green cube, then our level is completed. It's very simple game. So here we're going to create we're going to set up these objects, and we are doing the movement, and here we are setting my camera followed my ball wherever it goes. Okay, and finally the UI is for the finally once my game is completed, I going to show my level is completed, my game is success kind of. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, so let's go and start it. So just I going to rename my game as ball. Okay, something my main scene. This is game scene. Okay, anything's fine, just call it as some name, game scene. Okay, fine, so just reload it. So this is my default camera on light, it's there, so that's fine, we can make it change later. Okay, so let's go and create one plain object where my ball will be rolling, and go and find my green cube. Okay, so here in my hierarchy, just right click it, just do right click, and here is the option, you will get it. You have to do right click of the hierarchy, just nothing selected, just do left and just right click. Okay, so here go and choose, because we are building the 3D game, so 3D object. So you will see a lot of 3D object, cubes, sphere. So we're going to use cube, sphere and the plane. This, okay, first let me start with my plane. Okay, let's just choose it. See, my plane is got created here. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, so how I'm doing this rotation is, if you have the mouse, you have to do just click the alt. Okay, you want to rotate, just do click alt. So if you see here, see, otherwise if you want to use this tool, this is to handle the your object. Okay, so this is my object, just select this. Okay, this is the tool, hand tool, this is to move tool, this is to rotate tool, and this is to scale. Scale means just scale that. Okay, currently it's selected my rect tool, that's rect is to scale my position, that's fine. So let's start use handle tool first. See, to move my scene there. But what happen if you do this, you just try there. So if you move, it will be move something like this up straight forward, but I want to just do a little bit like, just I want to see this view, then you just press alt. Okay, if you are using mouse, just left drag, rotate, just drag. What I'm doing is I just keep pressing my alt. I just pressed alt, and I am just rotating with my left, just I'm rotating with my left, uh, left on my mouse. Okay, so that's fine. So next is, so this is fine, just I'm rotating and viewing the object, but I want to move this to here. How to do that? Okay, that we can see with the next example. Okay, okay, let's we call it, this is my ground. Okay, just save that. So now next I will going to add my player. Here my player is ball, so 3D object sphere. Okay, it's fine, sphere, we call it as player. Okay, default it's generating few things, I will explain you a bit later. Okay, so where is my player? It's something, it's not there. Okay, so it's got down, so I want to move that guy to up. So just select this player and go and select my move tool and make to sit in the plane. Okay, just move up, see. Yes, so what I'm doing is I selected the thing. So this is x y axis, as if you understand the position, you can see here this is a y, and this is a z axis, and this is the x axis, and green color is a y axis and z axis. Okay, because it's down, I just pulling here. And you want to move from z, you can move like this. You want to move x, you can move like that. See, so you have to choose this move tool and just move here, 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 wherever you want to move. Yeah, so that's fine. So I am keeping my ball here. Okay, okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just click alt and I'm just rotating and checking that it's fine. You will be familiar in few steps once you practice. Initially I also face a lot of difficulties, but it's fine. Okay, so let's keep it okay, fine, let's, it's fine. So I will keep like this. Okay, so now it's fine, we added the plane and my ball, but what happened now, this all something like it's floating under, um, just if you see the ground, so it has something like mesh filter, mesh renderer, mesh collider, what it is all. So it's like a property where if you go to asset, okay, it's a, just if you see this is all your 3D objects where you are have the predefined mesh which you are prepared the ball cube ball. Okay, so if suppose you have something character, so this is fine, it's predefined, but if you're doing something like a different characters, so that core mesh will be there. So that's the things. Okay, this is for a collider, I will explain you a bit later, so it will be more confusion now. So now let's run the game. Let's see what's my game is looks like. See what happened now. So my ball is stick there, so my plane is here, my ground is here, my ball is there, but it's not doing any kind of gravity there. So it's just I kept the ball. Okay, it's just it's floating there, but it's not applied any kind of gravity, because my player should listen my gravity, so that it will be walk around here, go there, everywhere. So let's do that now. Okay, so this is a player, you just choose it, and here there is a add comment button here, so just go and click that add comment and apply rigid body. Okay, so don't choose rigid body 2D, rigid body. So rigid body, what it will do is it will helps you to apply the gravity for your object, apply the physics. So apply what's the mass, and what's you want to use the gravity for this. Yes, so we have still lot of other options that I can tell you later. So default option, let it be. So now let's run it. See, it's fell down, so it's now in the air. So when my game started, see, it's fell down here. Okay, that's fine. So our view angle is not good, because we didn't set my camera position anywhere, so that's fine. Okay, that's all fine now. Okay, hope so. The basic of we created the ground and we created the player and we applied the physics as well. Okay, fine, not a problem. So let's then where we'll start. Let's apply the movement first. Okay, then we'll apply to make my camera. This is my camera which is sitting somewhere down. So currently we'll just move a little bit upper. Let's go and choose my camera and try to view completely my object. Okay, don't, yeah, so you can see the preview here, so you can even adjust my camera. Okay, that's fine. So now just run it. Okay, fine. Let's otherwise we'll bring my ball. See, this is my camera view. Let's bring my ball to here. Okay, let's, so that it will be near for the camera. So let's choose again the camera, little bit upper. Okay, that's fine. So now still it's not completely covering, so what I am doing is, this is the third option. Okay, now we understand hand tool where we are using move. Now you just select rotate. So rotate, what will do is you can able to rotate your game object. So okay, so this is the option that it will come something like this. See, okay, so you want to rotate z axis, so the based on the color you can. So I want to rotate bit down, so that my okay, let's try to rotate. Okay, it's something, it's went wrong. Okay, fine. Okay, let's try with this. Yeah, so I'm trying to move bit down. Okay, fine. Then again I am just trying to move a little bit closer. Okay, so now a little bit okay, I think. So we can start work with this now. Okay, fine. So what this session we covered is, we just added the ground, my player, and we try to understand how to handle tool by just checking my scenes here and there, like moving this. And even there is another option in the mouse, there is a center button. You just hold that and drag your mouse. You can this is a handle tool. It can be applied, so you no need to go and select that. Just in the if you are using the mouse, just you go and click the center, hold that center button and just do this. Okay, that's fine. And move, just you select the move and just okay, let's not doing this. Okay, fine. Okay, and rotate also we understand. Okay, just to go and practice this. So once you are familiar with this, just play around. This is a very basic of game engines. Need to do what we had to do it for that. So then in the next tutorial we're going to see how we can achieve our game what we are doing it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. The playlist I added in the down, so that you can go and get the all the complete tutorial associated with this Unity. You will get it there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like if you really like my video, and it helps me to encourage to put more videos. Subscribe and click the bell icons, so that you will get the regular notification if I upload any new videos.